Hey guys, so I'm back with another hair tutorial. So I got my hair laid down by my mom. She is the best at cane rowing. If you want those snatch cane rows, my mom will do it for you. So moving on, I got this curly afro wig from Amazon. It was Annivia, and it was 27.99. They had so many different colors, but I decided to go for the blonde. So I just liked to comb it out a little bit because it was a little bit flat when I obviously took it out the bag, obviously in transit. It came with a wig cap and with earrings as well, which I thought was really cute. It has these two little combs on the side, so I always love to use that just to make sure that it stays put on my head. And then I had to cut the fringe a little bit because the fringe was a little bit too long for me, which always tends to happen. You always customize it. And then I just went in with some control wig spray and some wrap mousse. And I basically just used that to kind of fluff it up and keep the curls intact after I've combed it out so aggressively. And this was the final look. I absolutely love it. It's soft, it's gorgeous, it's cheap. Go to Amazon.